Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to study about the determinant structure and indeterminate structure. So first one is determinate structure. Determinate structure, and second one is indeterminate structure. So basically in this video we will study about these two, what is the determinant structure and what is the indeterminate structure, and we will also focus the different concept and the different things that can differentiate about the different determinant and indeterminacy of the any given structure. So in very first step, or very first things we have to know. So in very first number you can see here equilibrium conditions are fully adequate to analyze the structure. But in indeterminate structure, conditions of equilibrium are not adequate, are not fully adequate to analyze the system or to analyze a structure. So basically we have the equilibrium conditions, that is summation x equal to 0, the sum of all forces in positive x-axis equal to 0, and next one is, or you can say also you can take sum of all forces, summation x towards negative equal to 0. You can take whatever you want, and in y-axis summation y equal to 0, that is sum of all forces along y-axis equal to 0, or if you take the negative value, then you can see the sum of all forces along y-axis, along negative y-axis equal to 0. These two are the basic equilibrium conditions. Okay, and in determinate structure, we can analyze the structure with the help of these two basic equilibrium conditions. But in indeterminate structure, these two structures are not sufficient for the analyze the indeterminate structure. For the analyze, we require more compatible equations, like compatible equation of displacement. Okay, so displacement we will delta 1 plus delta 2 something, sum of this equal to 0, like this we have to analyze the indeterminate structure. Okay, and now let's move on the next number, that is into number, the bending moment or shear force at any section is independent of the material property of a structure. Okay, the bending moment, you can see the bending moment and shear force at any section is independent to the material property of the structure, but in indeterminate structure both the bending moment or shear force at any section is dependent of the material property. So this is the second main point of this determinate structure. Bending moment and shear force depends upon material of the property, but in determinate structure it is dependent, and determinant it is independent. So these two terms you need to understand. And in third point, next point is about this bending moment or shear force, same. So in the bending moment or the shear force at any section is independent, same as 2 number, independent to cross section or moment of inertia. Cross section or moment of inertia. Okay, but in indeterminate structure, both the bending moment or shear force, bending moment or shear force at any section depends upon the what? These two, cross section and moment of inertia. Cross section or moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Okay, so this is the third point, and next four number points we can temperature variation. Temperature variations do not causes stress. Do not causes stresses, but in indeterminate structure the temperature variations causes stresses. Okay, so this is also one of the most important things in indeterminate structure. Whenever the temperature is changes, it causes the stress. But in determinate structure, you can see here, determinate structure, temperature variations does not cause any stress development. Okay, and in fifth number, no stresses are caused due to lack of heat. But in indeterminate structure, stresses are caused due to lack of heat. In this determinate structure, no stresses are caused due to lack of heat, but in indeterminate structure, stresses are caused due to lack of heat. In sixth number, as we already discussed in first number, equilibrium conditions are adequate to analyze the system. So extra conditions are required. Extra conditions like compatibility, compatibility of displacement, are required for the indeterminate structure, but in determinate structure are not required. Why? Because it can be analyzed with the help of just basic conditions, that is summation x equal to 0 or summation y equal to 0. But in this indeterminate structure, extra conditions are required. Extra conditions like compatibility of displacement are required. As I already said, delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 equal to 0. Such types of sequences are required to analyze the indeterminate structure. So I hope you can understand these 6 different basic points or basic concepts related to the determinate structure and indeterminate structure. Okay, and in next video we will discuss about the different formulas to analyze the determinate structure and indeterminate structure, and we will do some numericals, important numerical related to the determinate and indeterminate structure. So this much for today. Thank you everyone. See you in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.